Factory default Q.BO Touch Wireless Keypad. If you have forgotten the code numbers or your Q.BO Touch has been tampered with, you will have to reset your Q.BO Touch Wireless Keypad to factory default mode. To reset the keypad, first remove the batteries. There is a shunt over one pin which must be removed and put over both pins to bridge them. Slide the shunt down and connect the two pins to create a bridge. Now replace the batteries. The keypad will beep after this for approximately 10 seconds. Once this beeping has stopped, slide the slide shunt off the two pins and return it to its original position over one pin. Your Q.BO Touch has now been restored to factory default settings.